I am Peter F. Gallagher. I consult, speak and write on the leadership of change. Welcome and thank you for choosing us to advance your change knowledge and skills. My purpose is to improve the leadership of change and help leaders successfully lead their organisation's change. In this workshop, you're going to complete Change Management Gamification Leadership A. I love gamification because it's an interactive and dynamic way for employees to learn both change management skills and knowledge using game characteristics. Knowledge is information acquired through sensory input, reading, watching and listening, but skills are the ability to apply knowledge to particular situations. Gamification provides both. In this workshop, you will work together in teams on a case study that includes 13 typical organisational stakeholders, and you will be the head of change. You will play 10 rounds, and during each round, you will be provided with 4 change concepts. In your teams, you will discuss each change concept, then choose the change concept which your team thinks will gain the most buy-in to the change. You will then find out how your stakeholders have reacted, which can be positive, neutral or negative. You can watch your stakeholders move around the board, see how your team scored and find out what each of your stakeholders thought of your chosen change concept. The team that moves the stakeholders around the board the furthest wins the game. But the most important thing is the tested learning both the skills and knowledge from the discussions and the stakeholder reactions. This will help to improve your self-awareness, and learnings can be applied immediately back in the workplace. Get ready to learn leadership of change, skills and knowledge.